Today is Monday, July 3rd, 2017. It's 11 a.m. And we're changing the brakes on the Mini Winnie. Wait.
Gimme. I'll show you the brakes here. Alright, we're putting front brake pads on. We got these from Rock Auto. This motor draft's exactly what's supposed to be on there. And they're the heavy duty ones, super duty. They're designed for like a FedEx or UPS truck. I don't think we need brake pads. We're going to see when we pull the old ones off. We only got about 5,000 miles on the old ones. We're going to do it anyway since we're here with Larry and Karen Knapp's Berry Farm in Cobra, Washington. The jack's already in place. The wheel cover's off. The lug nuts are broke loose. And the jack's ready to go. Okay. Gonna jack it up, pull that ramp out. Patsy Brother Bernie's ramp.